How to use ChatGPT voice chat on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will show you how you can use ChatGPT voice chat on PC. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up chatgpt.com in your device. After you open it up, you will see this kind of interface and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now to use the voice chat, if you navigate to this text box right here, and if you click on this icon right here next to this microphone, it says use voice mode. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be taken in this interface where you can use the voice chat feature. Now you'll be taken in this interface. Now you can enter or provide your voice command, and this will reply you back with its voice too. Here you can ask anything to the ChatGPT and then it will reply you back according to the questions that you ask. So that is the way to use the voice chat in ChatGPT on your PC. That's it, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.